welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss also about Coinbase Wallet. In last video we have discussed about Coinbase Wallet and we discussed how we can connect over Coinbase Wallet with Curve DAPP. Yes, if you have not watched that video, so please go to my YouTube channel and must watch last video. In last video some subscribers sent to me message they want to disconnect DAPP from Coinbase Wallet. So if you get also this information, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can see here viewers, I have uploaded almost 651 videos on this YouTube channel and almost 1k plus videos on this YouTube channel. So both of very informative for you if you need to get more information about cryptocurrency wallets. So must subscribe my channel and share with your family friend, and also share in Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram, because some person need to help about using the cryptocurrency wallets. So you can see here right top corner our Coinbase wallet is shown in front of me. And let's suppose we have connected 3-4 website, like if I'm going to open CoinJacko. So you can Bitcoin price is $27,000, and if we check the DAO application top 100 listed, we have connected Shiba Inu already, and already connect with PancakeSwap, also Lido, and also one more, I think, SushiSwap. So let's suppose you want to disconnect your Coinbase wallet from these DApps applications. So simple is that. Just first of all log in. I'm going to enter my password here. I have entered my password. Now going to click on unlock. When you click on unlock, so your wallet will be shown in front of you. You can see here my wallet shown here, and let's suppose first I need to check which websites we have connected already over this wallet and how we can disconnect. Simple is that. Just simple go to the click option setting. There is a main setting of your wallet, and you can perform all security activity from this option. Simple click on settings, and then I'm going to check the DApP. Sorry, by mistake click on, yes, you can see here the fourth number is available, DApP connections. DApP connection. I just simple click on DApP connections, and after that you can see here we have connected our Coinbase wallet with these DApP applications. The first name is PancakeSwap and second is Stake with Lido, because I think our second last video about Lido, how we can connect the our Coinbase wallet with Lido. So you can see here, and let's suppose you want to disconnect from your this wallet. You can see here this is the connected PancakeSwap and also Lido swap. So first you can see here there are 3 dots shown, and you can also perform your any activity from these 3 dots. This is the setting option. Simple click on it, and you can see here there's 2 options available here. The first option is change network, and second option is disconnect. Let's suppose you want to change the network, then the all network will be shown in front of you. it's depend on you which network you are going to use. Okay, so I just need to disconnect all DApps. Simple click on it and click the disconnect option. Now you can see the only one DAO application shown in front of me, means only one. I have already disconnect pancake swap from my this list, and I also want to disconnect because when you perform any activity with these DApp applications, after that you must disconnect your wallet with that application, because sometime your wallet will be compromised and maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, so keep in your mind, don't still connected with long time your Coinbase wallet with these DAO applications. Simple click on it. I'm also going to disconnect this option, disconnect this DApp from my Coinbase wallet. Now as you can see here, I have clear all DApp connections, means I have already disconnect my all DApp connection with my Coinbase wallet. Now my wallet is secure and not share with third party. Okay, so if you have connected already DApps with your wallet, so must disconnect all your DApp applications. If you forget this, so maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, so guys, I hope you properly understand how can you disconnect the DApp applications from your Coinbase wallet. You can also use other options like simple go to the click on let's suppose Lido or any just a minute. I think not shown here. I'm just going to again pancake pancakes there. Yes, you just simple click on it. The second way, if you disconnect, let's suppose click on pancake swap. I'm going to first connect, after that I will disconnect. It's depend on you which way you want to use. First we have used disconnect all application from our wallet. The second option, you can directly open the DAO application website, and after that you can easily disconnect. Now you can see here the Coinbase wallet is open in front of me and I have connected. Let's suppose your wallet is connected with pancake swap and you want to disconnect. If you're not going to use your wallet, so you can use disconnect from this website. Simple click on this option and you can see here this option is available here, disconnect. So you will click on it if you want to disconnect your wallet with this DApp. Simple click on it. So you can see here now connect wallet option is available here, means you have successfully disconnect your Coinbase wallet with this DApp website or application. Okay, so I hope properly understand. So if you get any information from this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.